video comfortably at millions of views. There are so many channels on YouTube purely by posting this one style of Stickman content. Countless other creators on YouTube are earning dollars every single month just by replicating this exact style. So, without wasting a single second, let me show you exactly how you can create these videos for completely free. The very first step is to head over to Google or Pinterest and search for Stickman animation figure. Download any Stickman character you like most. Once you have your character ready, open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly hand you 20 engaging topic ideas. Pick the one that excites you the most. Now open the second prompt from the description below, copy it in full, and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Enter your preferred video duration, then paste your selected idea inside the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video script matched to your timing, including image and video prompts for every single scene. Copy the image prompt for scene 1. Head over to Google Flow. First, upload the character image. Then drag character image and paste the prompt in and hit generate. Your first scene image will be ready within seconds. Again, do same drag and paste prompt to keep your character consistent across every scene. Repeat this exact process until all your scene images are generated. I have created some scenes here to show you the full process. Now let's bring these images to life. Click on your very first image and select Animate. Choose Omni Flash as your video model and set the duration to roughly 8 to 10 seconds. Copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and hit generate. Your first video scene will be completely finished within seconds. Repeat this exact same process to convert every remaining image into a fully animated video clip. Once all your video clips are ready, download them and head back to ChatGPT. Type in this prompt and hit enter, and it will provide your complete script written out in clean paragraph form. Copy the full script and open your preferred text-to-speech tool. I am using Google AI Studio for this. Select a voice that matches your character's personality, paste in your script and hit generate. Your full voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Now import all your video clips into your favorite video editor along with the voiceover. Start by arranging your clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end, then add the voiceover, and your viral Stickman animation video is completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together.
The truth is, some of life's biggest lessons only make sense after we've made the mistakes. But today, you can learn them before it's too late. The first lesson is this: your time is more valuable than your money. You can always earn more money, but you can never earn back the time you waste. The second lesson is to stop trying to please everyone. No matter what you do, someone will always judge you. The third lesson is that your health is your greatest investment. Most people don't think about it until something goes wrong.
So, that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.